to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android cannot enable battery saver. If your battery saver is not getting enabled through your quick settings, you can head over to settings on your device. From here, what you can do is head over to battery and then try enabling battery saver from inside battery health or battery saver from your battery saver settings. The other thing that you must do is make sure that turn off at 90% is not toggled on. If turn off at 90% is toggled on, then you will not be able to turn on battery saver when your phone is below 90%. Also make sure that your phone is not charging, as you cannot turn on battery saver on your device while charging on certain devices. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. You can also head over to settings on your device, tap on system updates, and make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. Also, what you can do is head over to your reset options and then erase your device. Be sure to back up your files before you try and do this, and only use it as a last resort. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.